All right, folks, this is pages 4 and 5 in Essential Elements, and this is for viola. So we're going to be starting with number 2, which is open D. So first thing is you want to make sure that you've got really great posture. So remember, you're going to pull your instrument over to the left side of your body. You're going to cover your shoulder with your instrument and put your chin on the chin rest. So remember, you have to turn your head to the side in order to really get your chin on the chin rest. All right, so we're starting with number 2, and make sure that you've got a really good pizzicato hand, so make a backwards L, and you're gonna just put your thumb on the edge of the fingerboard, and then you're gonna find the D string. So remember, for our strings, we remember cats go down alleys. So that D string's right here. Here we go, number 2. 1, 2, ready, and play. Rest. 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 Awesome. We're going on to number 3, which is let's play open A. So we're going to go one string over to our highest string, the A string. Remember, cats go down alleys. That's the A string. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Here's A. Rest. 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 For number 4, you're going to alternate between D and A. So we've got to really make sure that we're anchored with our thumb so that your finger is able to be controlled between the 2 strings very easily. So we're starting with D first, so cats go down, D string. Ready? 1, 2, ready, here we go. Here's A. Here's D. Number 5 is a little bit trickier, still D's and A's, but they are a little bit more at random. There's not as much of a pattern, so you have to be really careful of which note comes next. So make sure you watch your notes carefully. All right, we're going to find the D string first, and we're still anchoring with our thumb. 1, 2, ready, and play. Rest, rest. Now looking at number 6 on the next page. Number 6 is the same as number 4. The only thing that's different is we've added a double bar line at the end. So you'll see in the orange box right above, the double bar line indicates the end of a piece of music. So that double bar line just tells us that the exercise is finished. So let's try number 6. It's the same as number 4. So we're going to make sure we've got our anchor for our thumb, and we're starting on the D string. 1, 2, ready, here we play. Here's A. Here's D. All right, number 7, mix them up. You are alternating every note, so going between D and A each and every time, except for the very end. So because it's so mixed up, you want to make sure that you have your thumb anchored, because we're going in between the 2 strings each time. So we're starting on the D string. 1, 2, ready, here we play. Rest. Rest. Awesome. Looking at number 8. So what we've added at number 8 is a repeat sign. You'll see that in the yellow box or orange box, it says repeat sign, go back to the beginning and play the music again. So we go through this one not just once, but 2 times. So you also have to count carefully, because we have 2 rests in a row for the first 2 measures. So they've given you counting underneath so you can keep track of the beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So be thinking that in your head as you play through number 8, counting out those beats. Ready? 1, 2, ready, here's D. Here is A. Back to D. A, D. Again. Here is A. Back to D. A, D. All right, looking at number 9 next. So this one is called a quiz, and really they just want you to write in the counting. So the same counting that you had in measure 8, you're just going to copy it down in measure 9 so you get used to thinking about how we count each measure, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So for number 9, we're starting on open D. Notice that we do have a repeat sign at the end, so we'll do this one twice through. Here is open D. Make sure that you're anchored with your thumb. 1, 2, ready, here we go. A, A. A again. Rest, here's D. Beginning. A, A. A again. Rest, here's D. All right, folks, so that is all from pages 4 and 5 in Essential Elements. If you need to try any of those again, just rewind the tape, do it one more time. All right, happy practicing.